The rise of automation and robotics is indeed transforming industries across the globe. As technology advances, robots are increasingly being used to perform tasks traditionally carried out by humans. Here are some key ways in which robots are impacting various industries. 1. Manufacturing and industrial automation. Automation has revolutionized manufacturing processes. Robots are now widely used in factories for tasks such as assembly, welding, painting, and material handling. They can work with precision, speed, and consistency, leading to increased productivity, improved quality, and cost reduction. 2. Logistics and warehousing. Robots are transforming the logistics industry by automating tasks like sorting, picking, and packing. Autonomous guided vehicles, AGVs, and robotic arms are used in warehouses to streamline operations, optimize inventory management, and enhance order fulfillment. 3. Healthcare and surgery. Robots are playing an increasingly important role in healthcare. Surgical robots enable minimally invasive procedures with enhanced precision, reduced invasiveness, and faster patient recovery times. Robots are also used in tasks such as medication dispensing, patient monitoring, and rehabilitation. 4. Agriculture. Agricultural robots, known as agribots, are being developed to automate various farming tasks. They can perform activities like planting, harvesting, crop monitoring, and precision spraying. Robotic systems equipped with computer vision and AI algorithms can identify and sort fruits, vegetables, and other crops. 5. Construction and infrastructure. Robots are being used in construction to automate repetitive tasks, improve safety, and enhance efficiency. Examples include bricklaying robots, concrete 3D printers, and autonomous drones for site inspections and surveying. Robots can work in hazardous environments or perform tasks that are physically demanding for humans. 6. Retail and customer service. In the retail sector, robots are being deployed to assist with inventory management, shelf stocking, and customer service. They can provide information, guide customers within stores, and even process payments. Retailers are also exploring the use of robots for order fulfillment and last-mile delivery. 7. Transportation and autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles, including self-driving cars, trucks, and drones, are transforming the transportation industry. These vehicles have the potential to enhance safety, reduce traffic congestion, and optimize logistics and delivery operations. 8. Service and hospitality. Robots are being used in the service and hospitality sector to automate tasks like cleaning, room service, and customer assistance. For instance, hotels are adopting robotic concierges, and restaurants are deploying robots for food preparation and delivery. 9. Education and research. Robots are finding applications in education and research settings. They can assist in teaching, support personalized learning experiences, and facilitate research in various fields, including robotics itself. 10. Personal and domestic use. Robots are becoming more prevalent in homes, performing tasks such as cleaning, lawn mowing, and even companionship. Personal assistant robots are also being developed to assist with daily activities, reminders, and entertainment. While the increasing use of robots brings numerous benefits, there are also considerations such as job displacement, ethical implications, and the need for human oversight. Balancing the advantages of automation with these concerns is crucial to ensure a responsible and sustainable integration of robots into industries.